In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data from Smartsheet into Excel, a process that's simple yet incredibly useful for organizing and analyzing your data with more sophistication. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to log into Smartsheet, and this step essentially gets you started and anchored into your workspace environment. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Smartsheet you wish to export. This action is similar to selecting a file, so make sure you're working with the correct sheet that contains the data you need. Once you're in the Smartsheet interface, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll want to click on File, which opens a drop-down menu. As you hover over the Export option, you'll notice several choices. For our purpose today, we'll be choosing Export to Microsoft Excel. This action prompts Smartsheet to generate an XLSX file, a format compatible with Excel that you'll be able to download. It's a seamless transition that paves the way for us to continue our work in Excel without losing any vital information. Now that you've generated the file, it's time to open it in Excel. The file you created will be saved in your downloads, so just go ahead and open it as you would with any other Excel document. Once open, if there are specific data points you want, instead of the entire sheet, you can start by selecting the cells you want to copy from your Smartsheet. To do this effectively, you should select the precise cells you need by dragging your mouse over them. With your desired cells highlighted, go ahead and use a keyboard shortcut, either Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac, to copy the selected data. After copying your data from Smartsheet, open the Excel file where you plan to paste this data. In this new or existing Excel file, select the cell where you want your pasted data to begin. It's best to choose this spot carefully to maintain the structure and readability of your data in Excel. Finally, it's time to paste your copied data. Again, employ the keyboard shortcut, this time Ctrl+V or Command+V, to paste your data into Excel. This step concludes the process of transferring your Smartsheet data into an Excel spreadsheet. In summary, what we've done is bridge your Smartsheet data into Excel with a few straightforward steps. This method ensures you maintain the integrity of your data while leveraging Excel's broader functionality for data analysis. With this process in your tool belt, handling data from Smartsheet to Excel is straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.